Bonjour à tous, welcome back to your friend's channel Learn French with Jay. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, les pronoms sujets. So can you tell me what is the name of the topic? Les pronoms sujets. In English we call subject pronouns. Okay. So I'll ask you something. Who is speaking now? Of course I. So what will be my answer? I. Yes, I am speaking. Okay. So that I, you, he, she, it, name, they, okay, we, you, these kind of subjective pronouns. How can we say in French? Okay, so I'll write first. First of all, I write je, tu, il, elle, nous. Okay, so je means here I. So whenever you want to say I, you will say je. Then tu is you. Il is he. Elle is she. No is we. Understood? Okay. I. Okay. You, second person. Il, he. Elle, she. No, we. After that we have vous. Vous will be you in English. Then we have il, plural. Elle, plural. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? This is for they, and this will be also for they, but this il for only masculine plural, this is for feminine plural. Okay, now if two boys are there or more, then you want to say they are. Suppose example is they are students, what will you say? Il, and next part will be the vocabulary or conjugation of the verb. So they, il, two girls are there or more, elle. If mix, if one girl one boy is there, I want to say they are students, then what will you say? So always will go with this il. Okay, okay, repeat after me. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so these are the subjective pronouns we have. Je means I, tu, you, il, he, elle, she, nous, we, vous, you, il, they, elle, they. Now my question is here tu and vous, both you. So what is the difference here? So remember tu for this for only, this tu will be for informal. Informal, suppose your younger one, okay, or your friends, you want to say you, but your elder one, what will you say? You will say vous. This is formally, means giving respect. Okay, so this will be formal. Fine. So always remember this tu, informal, like your friends, your younger brother, but your parents, because you want to give respect, then this is for the respect. Vous, your parents, your teachers, and any elder one. Fine. So these are the subjective pronouns we have in French. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. I think it's clear till now. So whenever you want to make a sentence, definitely you will make I, or you, or he, or she, we, you, they, definitely. Okay, suppose I want to write I am. So what is am? We'll see in the next class. What is I? This is the subjective pronoun. So directly you will write j. This will be my example. Okay, I am. So am will be, this topic name is verb, because this is the verb. So verb will cover in the next class. Okay, so today you have learned les pronoms sujets, subject pronouns. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. After and the next class, I'll tell you how to conjugate the verb être. avoir, aller. 3 verbs we'll cover in the next class. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup à tous. À bientôt. Bonne journée.